Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss example number 2 on how to rewrite the following standard form of the equation of the circle into its general form. And we know that the general form is this: x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals to 0. So, para ma-transform tong mga to, we just have to expand. Okay? O, yung shortcut na lang ha. First term, last term. X squared is just x squared. Then, i-multiply natin tong dalawa, tapos i-multiply kay 2. So, we just do 2 times 5, 10 times x, 10x. Positive ha, kasi parehong positive. Okay, and then we are going to get the square of the last term. So, 5 squared is just 5 times 5, and that is, correct, 25. O, ganun lang yun. Plus, ito naman. We have the first term and the last term. I-square natin yung first term, so you're going to have y squared. I-multiply natin yung first term and then yung last term and then multiply it by 2. So let's have 2 times negative 3. Negative ha, ito kanina positive, kaya plus, plus. Ito negative. So negative 3 times 2 is just negative 6 times y, so magiging negative 6y. And then, i-square natin yung last term. Negative 3 squared. Diba? Negative 3 squared is equal to negative 3 times negative 3. So, negative times negative is positive. 3 times 3 is 9. So, plus 9. Okay? Equals, copy lang yung 2. Okay? Now, we are going to rewrite it sa gantong format. So, una si x squared. So, x squared, then y squared plus y squared. And then, yung variable na x. So, sino yan? Si 10x. And then, yung may variable na y. Negative ha? Negative 6y. And then, lahat ng constant. So, we have plus 25 plus 9. Ililipat si 2 kaya magiging, correct, negative 2. Equals na yan kay 0. We just copy x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y. What is 25 plus 9? We have 34, diba? Minus 2, that is 32. So, plus 32 equals 0. So, eto na yung answer natin. Tama? X squared, y squared, 10x, negative 6y, and then 32 equals 0. So, okay na. Now, you try. What will be the general form of this? Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!